How many times has Amitabh Bachchan kissed on screen? How many?
Are you asking on screen or on set?
Different question. Okay, another trick question because actually he's never kissed on screen. Okay, so coming back to my panel, I have a question for you. I would love to know what is the one most romantic Bollywood scene from your memory that you love the most? And how much PDA was involved in that?
Again, maybe because I'm so boring and so conservative, for me it will always be, there'll be two actually. One is that song from the film on Indira Gandhi's life, Andhi. There's yeah, that song between the two of them. It's a visual in my head since I was a kid, and I think it's very warm and very romantic. Second would be Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. For me, in the college, not when she's in sari clad. For me, that was the romantic film of my
Because it
time.
was realistic for you, you felt
No, it wasn't realistic at all. Shah Rukh is never realistic, except in Swades and Chakre. For me, in romance, it's always the girl who gets it easy because it comes to them more naturally. I always feel, and even as an actor, like a girl switches on like this, and it's difficult.
So we're in love with the idea of being in love, basically.
I guess so, yeah.
You
So
know,
tell me about yours. Sorry.
I have a point to make since he asked me. For me, it would be something like Hum Tum because that is the reality of my time. Because that's the reality would be what I would say. Yeah, it's romantic because it's about meeting, then exploring other options, meeting again.
And
So that's the reality of my age. So that's romance for me. I mean,
that's
we all
that's
find.
what's the beauty. So we are pretty much of the same age. We went to the same college actually.
We did.
Xavier's. I am not. I can't think like that. I am that. That's why I keep saying. Maybe I'm extremely boring. I've been with one
You
girl
are
for
the
6
marriage
years.
material.
everyone's
You are the marriage
so
material.
Shit, yeah, I'll have to consider my acting career.
Marriage material. Not dateable material, maybe.
I mean, I don't know. There are a lot of people who see that movie and be like, okay, you must be like that in real life. But boy, this is an eye opening.
Romance has nothing. I think I'm very romantic in a very mushy way, and I
Oh,
am.
that's sweet. We
But
want to know she did
yeah,
that.
but that's with one girl who's been with me for 6 years. Like I've
That's
been.
why she's been with you for 6 years.
But I'm sure even she gets bored. You know what I mean? But I have friends who say explore, we are exploring avenues. That's how they
Okay,
come.
so I have another question. So have you had that conversation with her? Which Bollywood movie is your romance most like?
She doesn't watch Bollywood films. It's mostly films like Notting Hill and Notebook and stuff like that.
But in your opinion, what would you say it's most like? Is it like the idyllic scenes that you love so much? The Kuch Kuch Hota Hai?
Yeah, for me, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai stand even more than DDLJ. It shocks a lot of people, but for me, Karan Johar is like the king of capturing commercial masala Bollywood romance.
And with DDLJ, I think the first scene wherein he gives her, it's totally teen and love and romantic and mush and wow, you're in La La Land. That was one. Then again, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, but the dance sequence, wherein there's music playing, she's all sari and things like that.
When he just does this and the piano comes.
Exactly, like chemistry.
See, we love the cheesiness. We love it, yeah.
But then, Salam Namaste, I think there's this scene in the song wherein they're on the beach, white curtains, and there's bare skin. No one is they're making out, but it's not cheap. It shows a lot of chemistry between them, and it's quite lovely. It's not lustful. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of bad camera angles, yes.
Like a little to the left. Tell us about your most favorite Bollywood romance scene, and was there PDA in it or not?
Not really too much of PDA, but there are 3 scenes that I'll never forget. One would be the entire Silsila film.
Oh yeah.
I think it was beautiful how romance was handled in that film. The second scene would be Rekha in singing Dil Cheez Kya Hai. I think that was love
What an
from
eye-opener.
from a courtesan's point of view, and it was amazingly handled. And the third scene would be from Bunty or Bubbly. There was a scene where Rani Mukherjee wakes up after their marriage and comes to Abhishek Bachchan and says, "Mujhse shaadi karo na." that was a really a tricky scene. You know, it was cheesy yet cute because they had not had sex the last night. So that small town girl and a small town guy story.
I don't know if you guys have seen a movie called Zubeda. I really like
I
that.
have. I love
I thought
that
that was such a beautiful film, the way they handled the romance of it and the angst. of
It's
it.
again the maker.
Yeah.
It all boils down to
I
that.
really like the Mr. India, that song that Sridevi sings in the rain.
In the blue sari?
Yeah, because she is dancing with the concept of him. He is invisible, but
Right.
she's dancing with the concept of him being around.
That song from Mora between Akshay and Ravina, that
Tip
song
Tip.
Tip Tip Barsa Pani is, I think, just epitomizes PDA for me in more than one way, because it's again the girl who calls him.
Yeah.
You know,
Right.
it's the girl who actually fools him to get there with this note that she's going to commit suicide or something, if I remember it right.
Yeah.
And then the rain, and then the chemistry, of course, that the two of them had at that time, which Akshay has with all women,
Including Rekha.
including Rekha. He's very good. Recently, I can't think, except the Khans, including Saif, I can't think of any actor. It's so many combinations when you talk Bollywood. The director, the actors involved. It's just so many things. I think a film that comes to my mind, doing all of them, is Devdi. The scene when Kalki is just looking at Abhay when he's completely lost. And I think that's just love. That's love in
Yeah,
the
it's
other
very
pole.
real, yeah.
It's like the. So yeah, it's very real, and that's what the feeling is the same. Yeah? Whether a prostitute does it or a A-list, it's still the same feeling.
It's a universal thing. It's something everyone can relate to.
I think it was Shahid and Kareena. Jab We Met was stunning, absolutely.
Oh yeah.
And I think the MMS clip really added that little bit of information. to
That's also
everybody.
called PR.
Yeah, bad PR. Yeah,
Negative
go with
PR,
it.
but
Yeah.
No, I think for me the MMS killed it. I would have said Shahid and Kareena if I had not seen the MMS, because they were very real and very normal. So that's why now I'll go for Saif and Kareena, because they are very easy. They are the way I would be with my girlfriend. You know, they're just very normal. So
Where's
if
your
I-
tattoo?
Thank God, I would never. That's a mistake. I think that's a big mistake. You should never do that. You never know what happens tomorrow. But I think Saif and Kareena by far, because they're very chilled out. I have never not seen them at parties. I've not seen them more than holding hands.
They don't feel the need to try to
And
prove anything.
If you're together, let's be honest. When you're in a relationship, do you really feel the need to show it to the world at a public event?
That's usually a sign that something is wrong.
That's a sign. Trust me, that's a sign that either it's just a passing flame
Right.
or something's wrong. I may be completely wrong, but that's how I see it at least.
For sure, Saif Kareena. Because they're extremely chilled out. They are so sure of themselves. You know, that it's scary.
It's
They
scary,
are
it's actually
so sure. Because she can go and talk to the best dressed man if Saif is not best dressed that night. And Saif has no problems. You know, and it's exciting to see how they have matured from their past relationships.
I think that's the word, how they've matured. Because they've reached here after a long journey, both of them.
So the stories they could tell, I'm sure, would be fascinating. Okay, so I know that you're not a big fan of kissing on screen, but if you
No, I like it. I like Amit doing it.
but if you could kiss any Bollywood actress,
wow.
who would you want to kiss?
I have 3 heroines who I want to work with right now. Right.
One movie.
Stop the recording. I think who I would really gel with and look good with would be Prachi Desai, as of now.
What about you? Who would you most like to kiss?
Kiss on screen.
Someone. I'll let you think about it.
Yeah.
He's already got his. So he's like, top 10 list.
100%. I would any day kiss Katrina Kaif. I mean, look at her lips.
I like this
Look at
one.
her lips.
Exactly.
She has got lush lips, man.
Like Slice would never sell fit volume for her.
Yeah, amazing. Arm Sutra, it's Katrina Sutra all the
What about
way.
you? I'd like to ask you.
It's, I'll keep that under wraps. I don't want to ruin my chances here. I'm from Allahabad too, you know. But thank you guys so much. It's been really wonderful having you here, and we'd love to hear more about you. Of course, there's a Facebook page where you can go and leave your comments as well. It's been really fun getting close up about PDA and romance in movies. Go back and watch movies and send us your views. Thank you.
Thank you.